Hello and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Crafter, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some spreads that I have done a couple of weeks now. I have been blogging them, but I haven't been really doing any like sit down in front of the camera and plan with me. And I knew that I was going to do this video, so I figured, you know what, let me show you guys this spread first. This was from June 20th to the 26th. And this is in my recollections planner. Oops, my phone moved. Yeah, guys, so this is what it looks like. I'm super duper excited. This is a planning, no, excuse me, Sassy Planner Co. This is her, I believe this was the lavender kit. And it fits perfectly in this planner. The washi was, I put it on the wrong side, but that happens to me every now and again. I used the full kit and I believe the weekly or PP kits for this. I've used this kit before, and so I had a lot of extras in this kit, so I decided to just use it, finish it up as much as I can, and I think I still even have some more. So yeah, so I really love how this spread turned out. Next we are going to flip to this one. I share this one. I shared all of them on Instagram. This is from, this one's called Show You Later or Show Me Later, something like that. But definitely put the direct links down below. This one is from Savannah Paper Co. And I had so much left over, you guys, that I was able to do a spread using in my PP weeks. That is, except for the no school one, I think it's called from Peppermint Planning. Everything else is from Savannah Paper Co. These are her new foiled items. That one, actually no, that one is from Inky in the Brain. Yeah, so, and the washi, honestly, I got that as a gift. Not a gift, I won a giveaway, and I don't know, it didn't have the name, but other than that, everything pretty much you see is from the kit. This is the full kit, and this is from Savannah Paper Co. This is from the 27th through August 2nd. So really happy with this spread, and I'll share with you the other one. I didn't do anything for my monthly yet. I don't know if I am, but yeah. Okay, so this kit is, oopsie, let me see if I can get the name. I forgot the name of the kit. I think it's Homebound. And this is from Stella View. So that is kind of, that it is a really full kit. It's like a 3 or 4 page kit. This is a printable. I kind of felt like with the storm coming on and the kind of cruddy days, I would use the kit. Up top, I don't remember the seller's name, but this is from Savannah Paper Co. This is from Sugar Pop Fizz, the home sticker, the school sticker. The cover, the washi covers are confetti from Rose Colored Days. Down here is from, what is that, Savannah Paper Co. Sorry, I'm a little tired, as you can see. And we also have, this is Sweet Kawaii Design, her little itty bitty YouTube or social media. Again, Sugar Pop Fizz, Rose Colored Days, Stella Beautiful. All of that is Stella Beautiful. This is, oh, that's over here. And anything else? Rose Colored, oopsie, sorry. I am trying to make sure, trying to get Saturday and Sunday into view. Sorry about that. Rose Colored Days, the kit. That is from Lexington Fair, the little taco. The unicorn is from Savannah Paper Co. And the block stickers are a printable, and these are from Plannerology Studios. Sorry, I was trying to get them in the paper so I could name it. Okay, so the little film is from Savannah Paper Co. and that little unicorn doing laundry is from Savannah Paper Co. as well. I didn't add anything else to it, so yeah. So it did come with day covers, but I decided not to. I don't know, something about the blue kind of almost is a little darker variation, even though it kind of almost looks like a bluish green. I don't know, I felt that it went. And I wanted to add like a little pops of color here and there to it, and I thought that the confetti washi covers or headers would really add that. And I'm not afraid of mixing like gold or silver, so, and I don't have anything. I mean, I don't know, I guess I got just tired of cutting stuff, so I just added the little film. And I mean, it does have like gray tones to it, so yeah, I kind of wanted to warm it up a little bit with the gold. So anyways, and so all of that, kept it very simple, and I like how this week turned out. Alright, so stay tuned for the PB weeks, guys. So here we go, guys. As promised, here is the PB week spread from the 3rd through the 9th, and I can't remember if I used Savannah Paper Co.'s day covers, or excuse me, day covers, or if I used Sassy Planner Co.'s covers, because I got the same colors. But here is from the leftover from the kits. So either which one, you'll find like a gray tone. I was thinking about using black, but then I changed my mind because I used it for another spread that is in here as well. So the bottom washi is again the same washi. The only thing that isn't from Savannah Paper Co. is this balloon. This is from Rose Colored Days. The washi, this thin little washi right here, I don't know the name of it, but this one right here is from Sweet Kawaii Design. This little ribbon up here is from Savannah Paper Co. as well. Her day dots, all her kits come with day dots, so I'm really pleased about that. And yeah, so like I said, the little computer, the little like punch buggy or whatever, the little camera, headers, the washi headers, and like I said, the only thing that I'm not really 100% sure about is the date covers. I purchased some from Sassy Planner Co. and Savannah Paper Co., but I'm thinking they're more Savannah Paper Co. than anything. So yeah, that is that. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and bye for now.